Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. Today, girlies, we are going to try all of the Revolution makeup that I have purchased, which you will have seen on my last video. I'll leave the link above here so you guys can check that out as well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell and give this a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. And I would love for you guys to support, because I'm just a mom of three having fun doing what I love doing, and that is sharing my passion. Let's get started into the review of all of the Makeup Revolution products. I just wanna hold you. Okay then, so we're going to start off with this priming water. Now, I've never used a priming water before. This is the first time, and this is the Revolution Pro priming water. So let's give it a spray. Smells amazing. Oh, okay, that feels nice and fresh. Just let that settle for a minute. Just going to tie the hair back, and then we can start on the eye. Let's dig into what we're going to create. So I'm going to use the Revolution I Love Revolution palette, and it's called One True Love. If you noticed on my last video, I didn't have any nails. I had my nails done today, and I went for this lovely aubergine burgundy colour. Because I've decided to give my nails a bit of a breather off the acrylics, because they've been really sore and just all around my nails have been a bit ugh. So I thought I'd give them a bit of a break and then start again in a couple of weeks. So here it is. This is the palette, One True Love, and I got this for free when I spent £12 or more in Superdrug. Let's start off with a bit of concealer on the lid just to plump it up, and I'm going in with the Super Size Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer, and this is in the shade C6 for adapter thingy, or however you call it. And I'm just going to apply just a small dab there. Okay, sometimes it's just easier just to blend with your finger, gets it done quicker, and then that's that. So I'm going to let that dry just slightly, make it a bit tacky so that the eyeshadow can sit on properly. I completely forgot. Also, you have to excuse the eyebrows. I'm getting them done tomorrow. Should we just pencil something in? Didn't get anything from my eyebrows. I need to do a clear out of these drawers. So if anyone wants to see a declutter, I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers doing decluttering for the last few weeks. So I'll get into this palette, and I'm going to go in with, this is shade 4, which is this one here. Just going to put that all over the lid. A bit shimmery. Oh wow, we can go with shimmer all over the lid. Hubby decided to give me a phone call. You know, I do tell him when I'm recording, don't ring, but you know, men don't like to listen. So where were we? Oh. Right, layering on shade number 4 all over the lid. Oh, we can do some cheating. Who says there has to be rules when it comes to applying makeup, guys? And I'm thinking, should we go in for this pink here? And that's shade number 8. Blend that out slightly, and then we'll go in with this dark chocolate shade here, and that's number 9, and we'll just go back on the edges just there. And the brushes I'm using are the Jeffree Star, Morphe Jeffree Star ones, and that's JS9. so I went in with shade number 4 again, just to, is it 4? Yeah. Go in now with the Conceal and Hydrate foundation. We're going to try out the Tati Beauty blendiful as well. So oh my gosh, so this is applying the foundation on. So cool. Literally just blending it in. So the foundation colour is not my colour, it's too light. Yeah, it's just a bit too light. I look like a ghost. It's not even that bad in real life, but it just looks worse on the camera because obviously with the lighting as well. But oh my god, it's so light. Medium neutral, which is what I am. Just going to turn it over and just blend. Probably a couple of shades darker because this is too bright light. I mean, I look like a ghost. But it doesn't even look that bad in real life than it does on camera. But that's just too light for me. Maybe go a touch darker. Okay, let's go in with some bronzer. And I'm going to use the Cinnamon Sugar, the donut, which is this one here. We're going to just take some of the bronzer. Oh god, it's taken a lot of that. Just going to tap it on here. And then just apply. I love how basically all the product is just sitting on top of the base of this, and it's just giving me all the product and it's applying it onto my face and just not wasting much, which is good. So put some colour back into my face because it was terrible, guys. That was absolutely terrible. Okay, I'm going to put some concealer under the eyes as well. Let's see how this goes. I think the concealer is probably the better colour. Take the other end of the, and then blend that out. Wow, it blends out so nicely. Okay. And then we're going to go in with some, I'm just going to take a brush and do this properly. Okay. Then we're going to take some blusher. The blusher I'm using is this one. It's the Soft Shimmer Blusher. Oh, it's going to be very shimmery, isn't it? Right, let's see what we can do. I think that's nice for holiday. I feel like, with some foundation there. Oh my god, guys. I feel like, you know, I've just started out in makeup and I feel like Penny's done my makeup. She probably could do a better job than me. Not feeling this today. Not feeling this today. Alright, I'm going to put some mascara on. I haven't got anything from Revolution, so I'll be back. Mascara's done. I'm going to go in with some lip gloss. I haven't got any lip liner. Sorry, guys. I'm going to go in with this lip gloss, and it is the Salted Caramel Lip Gloss. The I Heart Revolution Salted Caramel Lip Gloss. It's very plain. Oops, like a nude. That's what we want. I'm only going to get the kids from school. Okay, that's everything. Oh no, we need to put some highlighter on. So this is the vanilla frosting donut highlighter. Just get my highlighting thing. Oh, I love this. Probably don't need it because I've actually got the blusher, but just add to it. Can you see that? Oh, that's good. Anything to glow me. I love that. I think I'm going to try this one on its own without the shimmery blusher. Can you tell that I'm not a makeup artist? I'm just doing it how I see it goes, and if you like it, you like it. If you don't like it, guys, oh, sorry, leave a comment below if you don't like it. But that's me done. Just do some setting spray. So this is the Pink Lemonade Illuminating setting spray. And that's just finished off there. I forgot to put some powder under my eyes, but I don't want to because I feel like this foundation is kind of like drying out my skin. I feel like it's leaving patches, and yeah, I just feel, you know, when you get the dry patchiness around your nose, that's what's happened. So I won't put any powder on just to make it worse. But there you have it, guys. What do you think of my Makeup Revolution look? I think I'm going to have to give this another go, but obviously use a sponge or a brush to apply. I wasn't feeling it with the Tati blender, but I'm going to give it a go. And what I do love about it is the fact that there's not hardly any product left in. It hasn't soaked into the sponge either. So I'm going to give that a good wash later on. And yeah, it's kind of clean considering it's not that dirty that I've applied. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give that another go. I'll try it with my Colourpop, which is going to be on another video. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And I'll leave all the products that I've used underneath for you to go and check it out. And if you have any questions, or if you like anything, if there's a look you want to go for and you're struggling, then let me do this. Let me save you the struggle, and I will do it for you. Whether I look stupid or not doing it, I don't know. But yeah, thanks so much for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye.